If you're looking for affordable tech that won't break the bank, you've come to the right place. In this video, I've listed the best 20 cool tech products on Amazon, all under $100. These gadgets can make your life easier and more fun without costing a fortune. Whether you're into smart devices, accessories, or cool little gadgets, there's something for everyone. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Tile Wallet Finder. With its sleek, ultra-thin design, this tracker effortlessly fits into wallets, passports, and other compact spaces. Discreet SOS functionality enhances safety during emergencies, while the intuitive app helps you locate misplaced items or your phone, even in silent mode. Seamlessly integrate with Life 360 for a comprehensive family safety solution, viewing everything and everyone on a single map. Perfect for safeguarding essentials, this device is the ultimate blend of convenience and peace of mind. Memoft Laptop Stand. Paper-thin yet incredibly robust, this foldable laptop stand is a game-changer for on-the-go professionals. Weighing just 3 ounces, it's virtually unnoticeable when carried, but transforms into a stable support for laptops up to 11 pounds. Compatible with 11 16-inch laptops, its unique one-piece design is compact and quick to set up. Crafted with premium PU and fiberglass, it's perfect for enhancing ergonomics without adding bulk. Buffby Sound Machine. Combining a sound machine and alarm clock, this innovative device offers a soothing escape with 18 calming sounds, including white noise, fan options, and nature sounds. High-quality speakers with precise volume control ensure a restful night's sleep. Wake up gently with 5 unique alarm tones and enjoy ambient lighting with 7 color options. Designed for relaxation, this machine transforms any space into a tranquil haven. Toloco Massage Gun. Experience deep muscle relief with this advanced massage gun, featuring up to 3,200 RPM penetration and 12mm amplitude. Its powerful battery offers up to 6 hours of use and charges conveniently via USB. With 10 interchangeable heads, it caters to different body areas, ensuring a personalized massage experience. The low-noise motor and LED touchscreen enhance convenience and usability, making it ideal for home, gym, or office use. Vantru Mini Dashcam. Capture every detail with this compact dashcam, featuring 1080p HDR video and excellent low-light performance. Its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS enable live streaming, speed tracking, and video sharing via a dedicated app. Voice control allows hands-free operation, adding safety and ease to your driving experience. With a wide 160-degree viewing angle and unobtrusive design, it's perfect for ensuring peace of mind on the road. HCman RGB Gaming Mousepad. Brighten your gaming setup with dazzling RGB lighting and 15 adjustable modes. This large, non-slip mousepad provides ample space for precise control and smooth mouse movement. Designed with durable, waterproof material, it enhances performance while protecting your desk. Ideal for gamers and professionals alike, its memory function and vibrant effects bring both functionality and style to your workspace. Yeelight Table Ambient Lamp. Unleash creativity with 16 million colors and pixel-level control, perfect for setting any mood or occasion. Its modular, magnetic design allows for versatile arrangements, blending seamlessly into any decor. Adjustable brightness suits both tranquil evenings and energetic gatherings. Whether as a functional light or a decorative piece, this ambient lamp offers an exceptional combination of aesthetics and utility. Vimtag Indoor Camera. Monitor every corner of your home with 360-degree pan-tilt capabilities and 2.5K HD clarity. Advanced AI detection alerts you to motion and sound, ensuring you never miss an important moment. Stay connected with two-way audio and Alexa compatibility, and enjoy 24/7 security with infrared night vision. Ideal for watching pets, babies, or securing your home, this device is a reliable and user-friendly choice. HyperX Gaming Headset. Immerse yourself in DTS Headphone X spatial audio for superior sound clarity and realism. With plush comfort and adjustable rotating ear cups, this headset is designed for long gaming sessions. Its premium sound quality ensures every detail is heard, making it an essential accessory for gamers seeking performance and comfort in equal measure. Nanoleaf Gaming and Home Decor Wall Lights. Elevate your space with customizable modular lighting that supports touch, voice, and app control. Compatible with hexagons, triangles, and mini triangles, these lights enable creative layouts. Easy, drill-free installation and vibrant colors make them perfect for gaming setups or stylish home decor. Add a dynamic, personalized touch to your environment with these innovative lights. King Foam Desk Organizer. Effortlessly combine functionality and style with a 2-in-1 wireless charging station and storage box. Perfect for decluttering your workspace, it keeps pens, remotes, and other essentials within reach. Its multi-purpose design fits seamlessly on desks, nightstands, or vanities, making it ideal for any space. Made of durable PU leather, this organizer ensures safety with fireproof materials and advanced protections against overheating and short circuits, all while offering a sleek, organized solution. Ozeri Digital Kitchen Scale. Simplify your cooking experience with a waterproof, washable, and submersible design for effortless cleaning. Offering precise measurements up to 11 pounds 7.4 ounce, it features an infinity contrast LED screen for clear visibility from any angle. The touch-sensitive controls enable easy switching between units and tare calculation for accurate ingredient weighing. Whether you're a casual cook or a professional, this versatile tool ensures efficiency and accuracy in your kitchen. Kotsako Vinyl Record Player Turntable. Elevate your music experience with a versatile, vintage-inspired design featuring Bluetooth connectivity, aux input, and RCA output for seamless integration with modern devices. Its 3-speed turntable plays vinyl records of all sizes, while the built-in stereo speakers provide rich sound. Portable and stylish, it's a perfect centerpiece for gatherings or a thoughtful gift for audiophiles. Enjoy classic tunes or use it as a premium home decoration to suit any mood. Newer LED video light stick. Create professional quality visuals with an upgraded bicolor light stick, offering adjustable brightness and color temperatures from 3200K to 5600K. Ideal for photography and videography, this kit includes a remote for group control and diverse effects. Flexible mounting options and dual power supplies provide convenience for indoor and outdoor shoots. Its high CRI of 97+ ensures vibrant, accurate lighting, making it perfect for content creators and photographers. MNN Portable Monitor. Enhance productivity and entertainment with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, offering vivid colors and a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Lightweight and ultra-slim, it's perfect for travel and remote work. Featuring double Type-C ports for seamless plug-and-play connections, it supports multiple devices and display modes for versatile use. Whether gaming, editing, or presenting, this monitor delivers lifelike visuals and reduces eye strain, making it an essential companion for professionals and gamers alike. Basis Portable Charger. Charge effortlessly on the go with a compact 10,000 mAh magnetic power bank designed for iPhone models. Delivering 7.5-watt fast wireless charging, it combines portability with reliability. This slim device provides multiple full charges for your phone while maintaining a sleek profile that fits in your pocket or bag. Ideal for travel, it's recommended for its efficiency and convenience, ensuring your devices stay powered without the need for a wall outlet. Satechi USB-C Hub. Transform your workspace with a sleek 6-in-1 hub featuring USB-C PD charging, 4K HDMI output, USB-A ports, SD microSD readers, and an audio jack. Designed for convenience, it elevates your device to an optimal viewing angle, making it ideal for editing or video calls. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for on-the-go professionals seeking functionality and style in a portable, durable accessory. Pictron Metal Phone Tripod Adapter. Elevate your content creation with a 360-degree rotating mount featuring dual-side cold shoes and a back cold shoe for attaching lights, microphones, or other accessories. Compatible with standard Arca mounts and durable aluminum construction, it ensures stability and flexibility for vlogging, live streaming, or photography. Designed for versatility, it's an essential tool for capturing professional quality videos and photos with your smartphone. Anker Nano Charger. Charge smarter with a compact GAN-powered 30-watt charger that's 70% smaller than traditional models. Capable of powering phones, tablets, and laptops, it delivers high-speed charging, reaching 50% for an iPad Air in just 45 minutes. Enhanced with Active Shield 2.0, it offers superior protection by monitoring temperature frequently. Ideal for travel, this tiny yet powerful device meets all your charging needs efficiently and safely. Lamicall Tablet Floor Stand. Enjoy flexible viewing with an adjustable gooseneck arm and 360-degree rotating holder, perfect for reading or watching on your device. The height-adjustable aluminum stand provides stability and durability, supporting various viewing postures from sitting to lying down. Designed for reliability and convenience, it offers a secure and comfortable hands-free experience, whether at home or the office. That wraps up our roundup of the 20 coolest Amazon tech finds for under $100. Whether you're upgrading your gadgets or hunting for the perfect gift, these budget-friendly tech treasures are sure to impress. Want to snag one for yourself? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video sparked your curiosity or helped you discover something new, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay tuned for more amazing content, tips, and reviews. Your next favorite gadget might just be in our next video.